It's 2020, and the world looks a lot different. We can also authenticate people using biometrics. That's how Anna accesses her device to watch a message from her financial advisor about the sale of her holdings from an IPO. As you can see, some of the biggest changes involve the reshaped global banking sector. The industry is more customer-focused, accessible anytime, anywhere. Business and operating models have been simplified. Retail banks have innovated their offerings. They're actively using data to improve customer service and their bottom lines. And they're proactively managing risk, regulations, and capital. Retail banks were diversifying their distribution channels, focusing on digital and developing their mobile offerings. They were starting to use big data and the cloud, and beginning to figure out how to be profitable in a more regulated environment.